So as part 3, we'll put the USB to the adapter here, then we will plug it to the alternating current AC outlet. Here, first we will power the tablet, so you can see. Then we will see there's an icon here. So as you can see, there's no icon yet. But if we plug it now, I will plug it now, then you can see the icon 1 2 3. You can see now there's an icon charging. So the cable is working.